So I'm in the middle of recapping this board, and a package from Frankfurt came in, and I want to see what it is. This comes to us from Mr. Conrad, and I think this is letter opener worthy. Carefully slice this. It's wet. The box is wet. Inside the box is a note. Oh, you are my hero. Hi, Chris. So sorry to hear about that terrible accident. It's really a tragedy. I hope you were able to save most of the Amigas. The world needs more awesome computing. Very nice font. Anyway, here are Scho-ka-colas that I promised you. I hope these keep you awake for a while you fix these ladies. I also wanted to add an old Amiga I actually found in the attic, though I thought I had lost them all. But there it was inside a box. But I believe you have so much work for your hands right now that I will hold off until later. Please accept these Scho-ka-colas as a gift. Also, the Algebra 1 included. Maybe you can find a use for it. The computer I used is long gone. I will send more once this batch is gone. Do let me know, Mr. J. Thank you, Mr. J. You are my hero. This, is the Alegra for the 1000. Check that out. Accessories of a memory expansion. Bip. I think it gives it like a couple megs. Awesome. And the best part about it all, he sent me a case of Scho-ka-cola. I've had a metal tin floating around here from the past. I told you guys about Scho-ka-cola. Oh man. And I love chocolate. These wonders of joy are the best chocolate ever made. Sorry, Switzerland. The story with this chocolate, Amiga 34, oh man, this is awesome. These are going to be gone by the end of the day. They're not. I'm going to try my best not to eat them all like a super fatty. Okay, we're doing the Scho-ka-cola thing. Where are you going, Dory? You just said something, forgot. The history of Scho-ka-cola goes back to World War II, where a certain individual in Germany had energy chocolates for their soldiers, and they were starting to bloom a little bit, probably because of the heat. It was a single wafer that you would crack, and it had a special ingredient called permatine, and the whole country ate these. It was meth. Now it has been replaced with energy chocolate, caffeine. One moment. Brush up on my German here. Bittersweet chocolate, coffee, and cola nut. Reverse my words. Ingredients are Zucca sugar, cocoa butter, coffee, cafe, whole milk powder, cola nut powder 1.6%, emulgator. Emulsifier is lecithin flavor. May contain traces of nuts, peanuts, gluten, and soya. What is that word? Caffeine, 200 milligram. Don't give it to children and pregnant women. 100 gram tins, double layer. You get a tin on the top. Once you eat these, you're like, oh no, I'm out. Like those Christmas cookies, you get another layer on the bottom. And I got 10 tins of this. So I want to eat some more.
I am Cornholio.
But we're going to hook this up shortly. Thank you so much. So we're scrubbing this with 000 grade 000 steel wool. And it has Scotch-Brite, but I think it's a little bit too abrasive. This is getting all the scuzz and fingerprints off. It's mild enough where it's not going to take the label paint off, and it's just doing a really good job breaking through that layer of funky cold Medina, which would have been fingerprints and everything else across the device. My hands are getting crusty. You should wear gloves. You have them in that drawer full of cleaning crap. You're right. Let's wipe this and see how it's picking up the crap. Oh yeah. You can see the difference in the crustiness. You can see the drips of clean. Yeah. That's a lot of crust. That'll really come out nice when it's all said and done. And this is just window cleaner because I looked for my Mr. Clean magic eraser and it was nowhere to be found. Look at that now. Look a lot better. You can see the difference. So there's the before, that's the after. Just a little elbow grease can make your life, make it look a lot better. Locks in, there's a single screw here that we would put in. So now this side, see how this is all the original metal and it's kind of fingerprinted up? Imagine this was your 500's inside case, you know, the shielding or whatever. There, you can't, there you go, you can see where I've scrubbed and where it isn't scrubbed. So that could help you out if you really needed to get surface rust off or you had to clean up part as best as possible. Edge connector, something. Just give it a hello. So Mr. J, your contribution. Ooh. We'll live in this bowling ball, Amiga. I don't have a Kester because I'm running a Pi Storm, so that's not needed. And we'll double check, make sure all is well. Make sure that's boogered and fingerprint clean the best I can while it's booting. Be neat if it had a little light on it, but not really necessary. Gotta stop putting stuff on my Amiga. I keep banging into it, making plastic marks. And then we're booting. Again, power camera cord. We'll just hit that sysinfo again. I am an interlace screen because I do all my printing on this. Whoops. I just did a speed out of habit. Sorry for the scroll effect. Real CRT. This says 881 FPU. MMU not in use. So not bad for a 1000, 44 times faster than an A600. 0.96 chip speed. 24 MIPS, 10.62 megaflops on an Amiga 1000. Pi 3 Alpha inside her. 256. 512 fast, which is this. 512 chip. So this would have gave you a 1 meg Amiga back in the day. I had a Sprint board in my other 1000 that I did a rescue on, drove a couple hundred miles, and that had a monitor and all that stuff. 1080, it's actually right on the floor, right down, right down there or over there in Amiga land, and that 1000's on the shelf on the other side. So that's got the Spirit 2 meg board, so it's 512K chip and 2 megabytes of fast RAM, and that's just rocking Kickstart where I have to put the Kickstart disc in and then flip the disc. It came with a bunch of discs, so that was cool. So this one I just Pi Stormed it. So that is a quick hello from the land of Amiga stuff and the Alegra 512K fast RAM. You're not winning any speed contests, but Mr. J, I thank you for your humble donation with the glorious gift of these bad boys. I think it's time for a top-up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.
What do you know? from funny, you bastard.